Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my fall trend guide. So we took a break the past few weeks because I wanted to talk Thanksgiving, so I hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving, but we are back with the fall trend guide and today's video is something that you asked for. We're talking about jackets and coats for fall. I wanted to bring you my favorite jacket and coat trends for fall for all different climates. So I live in LA, so I don't get to wear coats too much, but I do travel to New York about once a month. So the first coat we're talking about is actually something that I wore almost every single day when I was in New York City. The white coat. The reason I love a white coat is because it makes a major statement, but it's a neutral so you can wear it with anything. So here I just paired it with a black cozy turtleneck, black jeans, and black booties. I actually wore this exact look when I was in New York. You can also do a winter white, which I love. So basically pairing whites and neutrals from head to toe, like I did here with a white hat and some white jeans and white over the knee boots. For a dressier vibe, I love metallic dusters. So essentially it's a trench coat that dusts the floor. That's why it's called dusters. It's really long. I went with silver, but you can go with any type of metallic. And what's great about this trend is it instantly dresses up a pair of jeans for a fancy affair. So you can just wear your favorite jeans and a camisole, and then all of a sudden, voila, you are super, super fancy. And it's fun to twirl in. You can belt it and make it look more like a dress, or you can leave it open and airy. I did a matching pump, but you can also wear a pair of boots. A trench coat is a classic, so it's in season every single year, but for a more updated look, I went with a leather trench coat. So leather is huge. If you remember my fall trend guide, we did a whole episode on leather. So this is a colored leather. I'm really obsessed with rust and pumpkin burnt sienna tones right now. So I just paired it with a pair of coated jeans in navy and then a matching top and a pop of leopard. Also in the fall trend guide, we talked about leopard, but you can wear a trench coat so many different ways. When I was in New York City, I paired it with a dress and some booties, and then I also did it with a matching leather pant for a very bold look. Shearling is my favorite casual coat trend. So shearling is that sheep or lamb look. Often it's just with trim. Sometimes it's on the whole coat as a whole. So since I'm a huge animal person, I did a faux furry that looks like shearling. So it just has this really fuzzy inside. I wish you could feel it. It is so incredibly soft. And then I just did a turtleneck underneath and some black jeans and then some snakeskin boots. Snakeskin's a huge trend this season. Since it is a little out there, I didn't want to do a whole fall trend guide on it, but it is definitely something to keep in mind if you're shopping. The final style coat that I'm loving this season is plaid. So I picked up this plaid coat that has both black and blue. That way it goes with everything. It has a faux fur collar, which gives it more of a glam vibe. So I just paired it with coated denim and some fun booties that I featured in my Booties Fall Trend Guide. There are two things I love about this coat. One is that it has this quilted interior, so it keeps you really, really warm. And two is the faux fur collar is detachable. So Jack can wear it and I can wear my plaid coat just with my jeans. Plaid jackets are also very on trend. If you remember the plaid fall trend guide, I showed 3 different ways to wear a plaid jacket. So depending on your climate, you can go with a plaid jacket or a plaid coat. So those are my favorite jackets and coats for fall, and I'd love to see how you are wearing the trends at home. So throughout the trend guide, we've been using the hashtag #SSTrendGuide, and if you upload a photo to Instagram, tag @SydneySummer, that's me, and @SSTrendGuide, I've been posting my favorite trend girls of the week over on my Insta stories and my weekly newsletter. So make sure to subscribe if you don't already. You can always comment below if you have any questions, and I will see you next week. Bye. Okay. It's cold. I wish I'm trying to pretend it's cold.
9, 8.